and we're going to be visiting CT McCormick Hardware, which is also known online for their website as CTTrains, and that's the website CTTrains.com. And it's a hardware store here right in town, and they carry a lot of MTH products and Zelienople products as well. So we're going to take a look through and hope you enjoy the walkthrough today. We'll be there in just a minute. In the heart of Zelienople right now, and the hardware store is just up here on our right hand side. And this small town that's about 45 minutes north of downtown Pittsburgh, it's kind of older. It kind of reminds you of almost like a little rail town. It's pretty cool. Park the Shelby in a hidden spot back here. Alright, so here's CT McCormick Hardware in downtown Zelienople. And you can see they got their train display in the window. Like I said, this is a hardware store also, so check it out.
And then it goes from 80 to 88. Oh, must be 80.
There's a bunch of trains here as soon as you walk in.
Probably this one.
And it's got, yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense that we were out of it.
Some trains up on the wall right here, you can see.
Must be, yeah, right.
It's got to be the 80.
It goes 72, 80, 88.
Oh, okay. Well, then
Yeah, okay, that'll work. I'll set these out here if you need help. Install it. Hopefully somebody takes over that whole deal.
That would be ideal.
Yeah, right. It's kind of crazy. You spend all that time building it up and then you end up shutting her down. But yeah, I'll let you do your thing.
I know you guys do a lot of MTH sales here, so
yeah, oh yeah.
hopefully
it's definitely a majority of it, but
yeah, it's
but you can change. You might have to dab more in HO too or something. Switch gears. There's always a way around it, but
yeah.
Hopefully, rumor is that employees are wanting to get together and buy it or something. So maybe that'll happen. You know what I mean?
I hope so. Yeah.
You think a guy would build it up and want to sell it to somebody to keep it going, like a Lionel did? You know,
I know.
Pull it out and maybe sell it a little less, or work with somebody, but keep the name going. You build up. And I guess money talks, right?
That's yeah. Who knows?
Take the money and run. But yeah, I'll let you do your thing. If you need help, just holler.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, be right back.
All right. So here's another look at the shelf where we have some trains on display. Start at the top. There's the MTH NW2s, the Spirit of the UP MTH Premier, Chassis, Southern Pacific Legacy SD40. There's a Premier Western Maryland, BNSF. A lot of nice stuff up here. There's an older Lionel TMCC Southern Pacific set. I was checking this out. This is a Union Railroad MP15 MTH Rail King. And then that looks like the Rail King steam turbine. Got a Legacy SD40. And just moving down here, got a few different things. Casino F3 set, Lackawanna U25B. Got the Rail King scale GP7 Illinois Terminal. There's a Lionel SD60E, the Veteran Special. Santa Fe. There's the MTH, that's an Imperial SD70 AC. Few Premier units right there. KCS, that one's nice. Now let's check out the rest of the store. All right, so walking over here to the left when you come in the door is more train things. There's all the scenery stuff. Some Lionel things. MTH. Some more accessories. Some MTH houses. Bunch of Lionel accessories down here as well. So they do have a pretty fair share amount of Lionel items here too. Here's a bunch of Railtown buildings from MTH. Some figures. And then over here looks like we have some track. Lionel Fast Track. MTH Rail Tracks. And then we'll hook back around over this way. Here's a good look at their layout. It's turned off right now, of course, obviously. So if we move over here, there's some Atlas items. And then kind of in this middle section here, we've got tons of MTH stuff. There's all the Rail King boxes, and then over here is a lot of Premier boxes. That's cool. They have some Z stuff signals. Maybe I'll grab one of those today. That'd be kind of cool. Something different. And then you got some more MTH accessories here. Looks like this is the spirit of the UP Premier box cars. Steel car. Let's see what's over here. Another torpedo car. Another one. It's a Maersk Sealand flat car. So yeah, we'll root through here and maybe pick out something new for the layout today. Here's a nice Union Railroad gondola with a coil wire load. You can see they marked down their prices a little bit, so if you visit their website, you'll see that they're priced very well, considering the fact that a lot of other places online ask full price, or stores you visit. Some nice crane cars. It's one of those flat cars with the crossing on it, or the switches. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed our visit to CT McCormick Hardware. Just as I was exiting, the store owner's son told me that they are doing free shipping, I believe, when you purchase locomotives. So look up their website at CTTrains.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video again, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.